Peshtani, a village in the municipality of Ohrid, in the vicinity of the city of Ohrid. The name of the village comes from the fact that there are many caves in the area. This village is located in Ohrid, in the southern part of the territory of Ohrid Municipality, along the shore of Lake Ohrid and on the road Ohrid-Sveti Naum. The village is flat, at an altitude of 700 meters. From the city of Ohrid, the village is 15 kilometers away. The village is a central settlement in the western part of Galichica mountain. It is located along the shore of Lake Ohrid, and the Ohrid-Sveti Naum road passes through it. Until the end of World War II, it had a real village atmosphere. The houses were out of order and located at the foot of the steep slope. However, after 1945, Peshtani became the center for the surrounding villages. Today, the village is 1 kilometer long and has numerous modern houses. Due to the possession of a local office, central primary school, ambulance, post office, shops, hotels, and villas, the settlement can be said to be a small palanquin of the tourist and fishing type. Next to the village are the camps Gradisht and Leshech. The localities in the Adder bear the following names: Angelitz, Gorno Selo, Popoaniva, Gijano, Dobra, Merjica, Skala, Gradisht, Krasta, Boltiron, Ploka, Pol, Glaciu, and Valina. The village does not have a large adder and covers an area of 6.2 km2. It is dominated by forests on an area of 280 hectares. 207 hectares are arable land, and only 5 hectares are pastures. Today, Peshtani does not have any remarkable agricultural activity, but it has grown into a tourist and fishing settlement. Until the Second World War, the locals were mainly engaged in fishing, selling wood in Ohrid, and raising goats. However, after the war there were changes. The significance of tourism increased more and more, while other activities decreased. The Hotel Desert was built, as well as 2 camps. Then, also, with the development of the industry in the city of Ohrid, many were employed there as well. Nowadays, the population of Peshtani is focused on the development of tourism and other related branches. Service activities are well developed: trade, hospitality, and traffic. New private facilities for accommodating guests, as well as private hotels, are being built.